Hello, this is Holly Cantrell. I'm one of the counselors here at the high school, and we are going to discuss your registration form for next school year. At the top of your form, you should have the form that is Class of 2026 for rising 10th graders. Please be sure to put your name and your student preferred email, as well as your homeroom teacher. If you are at the 9th grade academy, you can put your flex teacher. All right, the front page includes all your academic classes. And you'll need to choose a class from each block. The first block is English. You'll need 4 credits of English to graduate high school. If you are an I3 student, please make sure to choose the AP Lang choice. That would be what you'd be taking in I3 for next year. Math, choose one for there. And if you're a STEM student, make sure to choose your STEM course. For science, choose a science, and the same thing for social studies. And in social studies, there's an I3 choice also, which is AP US. So you would want to choose that choice. If you'll notice, some of the courses have an asterisk and a R beside it. That denotes a Hope Rigor course, and you'll have to have 4 Hope Rigor courses before you graduate high school in order to receive the Hope Scholarship. At the bottom of the first page, there's a box for you to mark if you're interested in dual enrollment. 10th graders are allowed to dual enroll in technical courses, which would be like welding or cosmetology or something like that. You can take academic classes, but you have to make a 1200 on the SAT or a 26 on the ACT in order to take academic classes in 10th grade. Mark your choice if you're interested, and there are some information about applying for the school as well. At the very bottom of the box is a place for you and your parent to sign. Also, some information if you are wanting to contact your counselor. We have their emails listed there. If your last name is A through L, you would email Ms. Fordham. And if your last name is M through Z, you can email me, Ms. Cantrell. And just to make sure that you understand that these are your choices for the next school year, this information is used to create the master schedule. So be really careful about what classes you choose, because we only change schedules to meet graduation requirements, not if you change your mind about one of your electives. Also, you must be enrolled in 2.5 credits each semester to be eligible for sports. So keep that in mind if you're considering dual enrollment. Once again, turn this completed. If you're in 9th grade academy, you'll turn this form in to your flex teacher on Monday, January 23rd. If you're at the high school, you're going to turn this form in on Friday, January 13th. All right, on the back of your registration form, you have all your elective choices. Make sure to rank your choices using number 1 for your first choice, number 2 for your second choice, etc. Do not just put X's in these blanks, because we need to know your preference. Make sure you choose at least 5 electives in case one of the electives is full or it didn't make and we're not offering it. We have other choices. All of our students are expected to complete a pathway, which is 3 classes in one area. You can do Fine Arts Pathway, Advanced Academic, or CTA Pathway. Here are your rising 10th grade elective choices. Fine Arts Pathway is at the top. You can choose one of those courses. You have Foreign Language, General Electives, information about an Advanced Academic Pathway, and CTAE choices are at the bottom. There's also another choice, a little bit of an explanation about our option B graduation plan. It tells you a little bit about it. If you're interested in this, make sure you just circle that box, and then we will get in contact with you, because we'll have to set up a parent conference to explain what is involved in this option B graduation plan. So just circle that box if you're interested. All right, registration forms are due back to your homeroom teacher if you're at the high school by Friday, January 13th. If you're at 9th grade academy, the forms are due back to your flex teacher by Monday, January 23rd. And if you have any questions, you can contact your counselor